Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Apld stock. This one you can see is up by 2% today. Things are looking very good, especially considering this major rise that we've seen over the last few days. We're going to be speaking about that and a lot more over the course of this video. I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If it sounds good, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'd like you also to remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So do make sure you are doing your own research. Now, a few things that I am noticing here, right? We are still seeing the RSI very high. But again, this is why consolidation is going to be a very powerful thing here. If we do begin to consolidate over time, most likely the RSI will begin to cool off, and also we'll be beginning to build that base of support that we may need to see for the next potential push. I mean, I'd like to remind you guys how much this stock is up. Go back to the 5th of September, for example, this stock was trading in the $14 range, right? That's over 100% increase in the recent couple of weeks, really, and that's really how long it is, right? So with this being said, we're in a very interesting position here where we've got to ask a number of questions. Now, the first thing that I'd be noticing is whether this growth will be sustainable, and that will of course depend on whether we can hold this range. To the low end, it's really as simple as holding on to 33.70, 33 or even 32.90 to the very low end, but ideally in that 33.60s, potentially into 33.70s. You know, if we do drop down to the potential 32.90s, still not that bad. We have got supports here and here in this price range, but again, the holding of that bottom is absolutely crucial. Now, to the upside, levels to break, you're looking at 36.25. You're also looking up for 36.30 and 36.80 for a potential push onto 37, 37.10, 37.50, and ultimately for that retest potentially of key levels such as 38.05, potentially all the way up to 39 and possible retests of 39.30. So these are all the key numbers that I'm looking for, guys. Again, consolidation over the next few days is going to be key, and that's really all I want to see. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Do drop me a comment. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.